Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to use a PayPal gift card code. So first thing you're going to need to do is just go ahead and go to your PayPal. You can use website or application. You just have to log into your account if needed. And then once you're here, just go ahead and go to your wallet. You can tap on this one right here. And when you do that, you will see in here that there will be no gift card option from here. So don't worry if you don't see any, because I'm going to show you some methods that we can try, or I'm going to teach you on how to do it. So just go ahead and go to this website, the g2a.com, and then from here you will see PayPal gift card. So you can just choose what gift card, like for example 10 USD, 15 GBP, or you can choose your preferred one. And then once you have selected your preferred gift card, you can then go ahead and pay for it, and it will be shown to your PayPal account. And now for the second option is this rewardball.com. You can visit the site, and from here you can tap on this PayPal. So just wait a minute. And then from here you can tap on redeem for PayPal. And then go ahead and enter your email address that you use on your PayPal account. So make sure that it's synced, and then enter your code also, and then just have to redeem now. And that's basically it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.